I spent 2 hours going through 10 DJ Instagram profiles this week. DJs with between 2,000 and 20,000 followers. And I found the same 3 mistakes on almost every single one. Mistakes that are costing them bookings right now. I'm going to show you exactly what they are and how to fix them. But before I get into the profiles, quick bit of context if you don't know me. I've been DJing since 1988 and I run Rockin' Social Media Agency here in Spain, and I work with DJ accounts every single week. So when I look at a DJ profile, I'm not looking at it like a fan, I'm looking at it like a promoter. And promoters make decisions fast. Now, let's look at these mistakes. Starting off with number 1. I'm calling this the identity fracture. Now look at this grid. Monday, they're posting a tech house set clip. Wednesday, it's a motivational quote. And Friday, it's a picture of what they have for dinner. Now, the algorithm has no idea what this account is about. And if the algorithm doesn't know, then the promoter definitely doesn't know. And here's the rule. You need to check your last 9 posts. If more than 3 of them have nothing to do with your music or your brand, then you've got an identity fracture. The goal is 70% music and brand authority, 30% human content. That's it. That's what you need to be aiming for. Now, mistake number 2, the ghost booth. This one kills me. I found profiles with 8 to 10,000 followers and not a single video of them actually playing to a crowd. Now, there's photos of them in the booth, selfies at the decks, set clips with no crowd in the shot whatsoever. And this is the hard part that people don't get. Talent is assumed. Atmosphere is what gets bought and what gets you booked. A promoter doesn't need to know that you can mix. They need to know that you can fill a floor and hold it for the amount of time of your set. Best piece of content is footage of a packed room while you're playing. That one clip does more for your bookings than 50 posts. Now, mistake number 3, and this was almost on every single profile I looked at, the bio. I saw bios that said things like DJ, producer, music lover, bookings in bio. That tells me nothing. A promoter needs to know 3 things in 3 seconds. What you do, who you do it for, and what to do next. So here's the formula I use with every DJ I work with. Line 1 is usually your genre and your proof point. Something like house music DJ, 15 years in the booth. Line 2 is your unique angle, what makes you different. Line 3, 1 clear instruction. DM for 2026 bookings, download my EPK, 1 thing, not 5 links, 1. So there it is. 3 mistakes I found across 10 DJ profiles this week alone. Identity fracture, ghost booth, and broken bio. Now here's the thing. None of the mistakes is only half the job. The other half is knowing what to actually post instead and how to build a profile that works like a booking engine while you sleep. Now, I've put together a free guide on exactly that just for you. It's called the SET formula. That stands for story, execution, and transaction. 3 steps to turn your Instagram into something that actually gets paid gigs. All you need to do is to click on the link below this video in the comments to get your free copy today. It will be an absolute game changer, I promise. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.